Now we go over to the Barangay Ginebra side. First man on deck, RJ Barrientos. RJ, last Commissioner's Cup Finals, natalo ng TNT and Barangay Ginebra. It went to a Game 7, nag-overtime in Game 7. You came off the bench for Barangay Ginebra in that conference. Ngayon, iba na ang role mo. You are starting for Barangay Ginebra and you're playing with an amazing, renewed sense of confidence. Because nung Game 4, nung semifinal series, you were held for the first time this conference to less than double-figure points. Pagkatapos nun, you responded with 2 back-to-back 30-point games. As a starter now, and a major responsibility on your shoulders, what can fans expect from you in these finals?
Siguro just embracing every moment kung ano yung binibigay sa akin ng coaches and teammates ko, yung tiwala, yung confident na binibigay na sa akin. So, kailangan ko lang din gampanan yung role ko as a guard and as a leader sa team na to. So, I'm very happy and grateful na nagagawa ko yung part ko na yun. Pero syempre, hindi pa tapos yung series and we end up playing against TNT again. So, we're rooting for that and I'm very happy na nandito ulit kami sa finals as a team.
Thank you, RJ. Steven, you're someone who's been all over the world playing the game that we all love. You came in the PBA as the first overall draft pick in 2023 at the age of 31. You went through Terra Firma before landing in Barangay Ginebra. Now you have a chance to win a championship. You won championships before, but here in the PBA, you're chasing your first. What does this mean to you as a player and as someone who has found a new home in the Philippines?
Yeah, it's a big blessing to finally, hopefully end my career here in the PBA. Again, this is why we compete. This is why we play to win games and win championships. And so, again, this is my 5th conference with the team and 3rd finals appearance. So hopefully we can break through this moment. Again, I definitely want to take these moments for granted, and hopefully we can get the job done this time.
Okay, Stephen Holt chasing his first PBA championship. Now let's have the microphone over to JB. JB, we were going to talk about your background earlier. This is your 13th conference. You played 12 conferences before. This is your 13th now. You won 6 championships in the PBA. You won championships all over. In Lebanon, in the Emirates, in Indonesia, Southeast Asian Games. I mean, your trophy room must be loaded with medals and trophies. But playing for Ginebra, playing for the championship, this means something special for you. Why is it so special?
Just doing what I love to do. First of all, I'm very blessed, to be playing in the PBA and the opportunity that, Boss Al, Boss RSA, and Coach Tim, and the whole coaching staff entrusted me to come and play over the past 10 years. So it's just been incredible, and I'm just, along for the ride and just trying to give it my all every time I go out there and play. But yeah, I'm just thankful for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, JP. And we go over to Scotty Thompson. Scotty, you're in the record books as the only man outside of JMF to win an MVP in the PBA in the last 10 years. And that's a very, very significant honor. Ngayon, Coach Tim Cone has given you a new role because si RJ now is starting at point guard. He relieves the pressure on you to bring up the ball. How has that impacted on your game now that you're consistently playing the 2 guard position?
First of all, thankful kami kay Lord God sa another finals sneak namin. And of course, malaking relief sa akin playing along RJ. It's like mas comfortable ako kasi sanay din ako dati with Kuya Eli. Parang may bagong Kuya Eli ako na mas matanda lang ako konti. So, yun.
Okay, thank you very much, Scotty. And finally, Troy Rosario. Troy, nung last Commissioner's Cup Finals, in Game 7, you were hurting. You did not start in that game, and you had started previously. Ngayon naman sa ating semifinals, napansin ng mga marami na Coach Tim has brought you back to the starting lineup with Japet coming off the bench. dito sa upcoming finals against TNT, ganun pa rin ang papel ng Captain Panalo. Starting and being the X factor for Barangay Network. Troy.
Di naman para sa akin, starting ng hindi, okay sa akin. Kasi yun yung game lang. So, kung ipasok ako as a starter or off the bench, give yung best ko para kaya makatulong. Kasi last Commissioner's Cup Finals talagang hindi ko talaga makalaro yung totoo laro ko kasi yung bad na yan, bad ankle, sprain. I hope and pray na ngayon maging healthy throughout the finals para mabigyan natin yung mga fans ng laro.
Okay, that sets the stage.